That was a fail.
Hey everybody, it's Rayne from Fun Times with Rayne today with my daddy. What are we gonna do today?
Well, we're gonna continue on the second part of the Mel Science Kit,
So
right?
this is Mel Science Part 2, isn't it?
Yes.
So what are we gonna do today?
I think, let's see. So we're gonna do the sugar snake.
Sugar snake, ooh. There's a problem.
What's the problem?
It's completely dangerous.
Completely dangerous.
Well, we're gonna take the challenge today. We're taking it.
Yeah, why not?
Safety first.
Safety first. So, safety first. Glasses, come on.
Gloves.
Gloves.
If one of them's too small, then that means that one's fine. This one's fine.
I'm gonna go light a candle so we can get some fire. Hold on. Thank you.
A few moments later.
So we got everything that we need.
So what do we gotta do?
Prepare a mixture of baking soda and sugar. So,
So
we have this. Now we need a mini.
where are we putting it?
We need a mini funnel. Mini funnel.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, we're putting it in here.
Oh, we're gonna put it in there?
Look. That's the baking soda.
Yep. Okay, baking soda.
So now we have a mini funnel.
In the funnel.
Yeah. So we put it in here.
Okay.
And now we have this big spoon. 3 big spoons of sugar, and you have to shake for 10 seconds.
No, there's no sugar that comes with the kit. But we got sugar here.
We got
the
sugar
Domino.
anyway. Wait, is it from Domino's Pizza?
Not from Domino's Pizza. Oh, that's one.
This is gonna be so much fun. 2 and 3. Now we're gonna take this off and
Put the cap back on.
then put the cap back on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Wait, sugar.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Called the stove.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that's what that was. We didn't know what it was last time.
Now we need 3 pieces of foil. See, no, one,
Huh? Oh.
one in the center,
Okay.
and then we have 2 at the ends.
Nice. Okay.
1 at the bottom here, and now we need 2 at the ends. So, oh look!
Okay. Okay. Looks like you're building a wall.
I remember it.
Tablet. Oh, okay. Right, so take a tablet from the solid fuel from the blister pack.
And carefully pour into the recess.
So this is what it looks like.
So
That's the solid fuel
okay, so the
blister pack.
reason why they're telling us to do that, I think we have to push it down first. Now carefully pour it into the recess, forming a heap. Pour it into the tablet.
Pour into that.
I have to pour the whole thing.
I'm just gonna do this.
Oh my god. Alright, so this
Oh,
part...
that's the whole thing.
Yeah. So this part you're gonna have to do.
Okay. What do I gotta do?
So you have to take off our gloves.
Take off our gloves. Okay, take off our gloves. Well, you can keep yours on because I'm gonna be.
Yeah, he's
I'm gonna be
gonna
doing the fire part. So.
because it's hot and I don't want you don't want the kid to burn themselves.
No, we don't.
That would be really, really bad, guys.
That would be.
When you're doing this, ask a grown up to do it with you.
Yes.
Because if you just do it with like your friend or
Might get
a
burned.
sibling that's like around the same age as you, you don't want your sibling or your friend to get burned. Look at this.
again after the remaining mixture was removed.
I think this was a fail. Wait, what? How come that's sitting in a fire?
Okay, this is like a complete fail.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we had a little technical difficulty. So because there was too much of that mixture on the bottom of the puck was not allowing me to light it on fire once the remaining mixture was removed. But now it's gonna catch on fire, as you can see here.
Oh, wait, it's working, it's working. It's working. It's not really as big as we expected it to. It smells like s'mores.
Five minutes later.
Our question of the day is, what do you think the sugar snake looks like? Comment your answer down below.
It looked alien-like. It was coming out, it was like... It looked weird.
So, you know how every year Santa, whoever has been bad, he gives the children coal?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
But do you think this is recommended?
Yeah, I still think this is recommended. I think this is pretty cool. Listen to this.
Cool.
When we set the solid fuel on fire, a whole range of chemical transformation takes place, culminating in a small heap of white powders, turning into a huge black snake, which is what we saw. In fact, each substance undergoes its own transformations. The solid fuel burns, yielding almost exclusively gaseous products.
Gaseous. Gaseous.
Gaseous. Gaseous.
Gaseous.
Gaseous.
Gas. Like farts.
Oh, burps.
Ew.
Products.
It's better the burp and taste it than fart and waste it. That's a fact.
Exclusively gaseous products and a lot of heat. This heat makes the baking soda decompose to release carbon dioxide gas and makes the sugar turn into black carbon.
The carbon dioxide whips the carbon into a froth,
giving it more and more volume and forming
a spectacular snake that you see.
I think out of the two,
the foam eruption
I like the
was
foam
kind of
eruption.
cool.
I like the foam eruption better.
The foam eruption, yeah, that was actually a lot of fun. It was when it came up, like it actually really surprised us because we didn't know it would come out in like a blue and a purple and
almost like a rainbow color.
It kind of looked like the galaxy. Which one was your favorite, and which was your least favorite?
Out of the two,
I want to see why.
I like the foam eruption. The foam eruption, it brought me back to when I was a kid. Like, we used to mess around with. We used to make volcanoes, and the volcano you do baking soda and vinegar, and it'd come out. The sugar snake was pretty cool, except that we did it wrong.
And it took
and it took longer than expected. Again, we do have another one here, so at some point we'll do it again.
Definitely.
And we have another baking soda, but I'd rather do the foam eruption again. I will still always recommend this kit to anyone that is interested in doing anything at home. And, you know, even especially now that, you know, everyone's home, you know, because of the whole coronavirus. As always, please comment below, subscribe, and like this channel.
So, I would actually recommend the foam eruption as well. Not only did it have amazing colors, very, very cool project to do. I like the sugar snake. I also recommend this, except the fact that we did it wrong, number one. And number two, it took way longer than we anticipated. It said 30 minutes. It was like at least 35 minutes. And another reason why I would actually recommend this is that this one, they're both 2 times of the difficult. The foam eruption was like 1, sugar snake was 3. Why are you making that face? You're trying to...
Into space. Make sure when you do any science experiments, you know, you are with a grown-up, you are with a parent. A lot of these experiments are a little dangerous.
For example, the sugar snake.
Oh yeah, we had to use fire.
Used
fire! Fire! Bonfire! No? No?
And we have one more question of the day. What do you think the sugar snake looks like? So comment below.
And on that note, as always, make sure you please subscribe and like this channel and comment below. And we'll see you guys soon, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Bye. Hey!
Looks like you're building a wall.
I know, right? Build a house out of tin for you and me.